Hey guys, Lacey here. You're watching Guido's Killer Cars. Today we're opening up the Hot Wheels 20 pack. I haven't seen very many of this particular set around, so we thought we'd show you what's in it. This one has two exclusives, only in this pack. And there's a couple that haven't made it out yet. Let's get started. It looks like they don't want to come out. All right. Here we go. I'm going to do my best to tell you the names of all these cars. If I can't, I'm sorry. Starting with the first exclusive. This thing is super colorful. Pretty sparkly blue paint. Nice Hot Wheels logo. And as you probably guessed it, it is a Nissan Silvia S13. All these cars were made in Indonesia. Nice. Next, love the color on this car. Love, love, love it. The sparkly purple paint. Awesome. Again, these first two cars are exclusive to this set only. And this is a Pagani, I believe. Beautiful. Nice little convertible. Looks like a Ford Mustang, of course. Can't miss that logo. Nice blue stripes on the wheels. And this is, it looks like a 63 Ford Mustang. Sorry, 62 Ford Mustang Concept. Next, we have a Rigamotor. I like the color combination. Nice spider webbing on the top. And this one is green stripes on the wheels. I believe that is a coffin. This one is extra special. It hasn't come out yet. Again, I've only seen it in this 20 pack. This, my friends, is the Corvette C8R in red. Beautiful, shiny, red, sparkly paint. Nice badging on the front. Nice fin. Awesome. Next, this looks like an X-Racer of some kind. Here's car number 3. Ah, it's a Gazella GT. Slick. Nice. This is a Honda Civic SI. Nice. This looks like it has pearlized paint. Just a little bit of sparkle. Nice red interior. Nice carbon on the hood. Nice fin. And it even has a sunroof. Nice badging on the back. Then we have a Subaru, it looks like. Subaru WRX ST. Cute. Nice striping on the side. Awesome. Next, nice and shiny, number 5 car. Let's see. Not sure what this one is. You'll have to email me and let me know. It's shiny though. Bright orange wheels. Looks like it could go fast just from the color alone. Next we have Aston Martin. Aston Martin 1. Nice. Beige interior. Beautiful red sparkly paint. I like that striping. Nice badging. Very nice. Next, again, I've only seen this car. Excuse me, I've only seen this car in this pack of 20. This is a Corvette. Let's see, 2014 Corvette Stingray. Car number 29. Nice Hot Wheel badging. Beautiful color. I like the striping. Pretty. Next, Let's see, what do we have? I tell you, these silver bottoms give me trouble. Let's see, it's a drift car for whatever it is. Nice blue wheels. Next, we have the Lotus Amara. Gorgeous yellow color. Nice badging on the front. Pretty. This one's really cool. This, my friends, is a Mach 1. I love the color on this car. I don't know where they come up with some of these colors, but they are gorgeous. The stripe package on this, awesome. And this one is definitely an X-Racer. Cool color on the wheels. Beautiful, clear yellow. This is car number 4. This is the X-Racer high-tack missile. This one's really cool. This is the maximum leeway. I love the paint job on this car. And this is car number 5, if you haven't figured that out. I like the fin. Now this next one is definitely full of color. This, of course, is the Dodge. A Dodge Charger, 1970 Dodge Charger, multicolor. Nice badging on the front. I love the purple windows. And you see this is a Dodge on one side, Charger on the other. Interesting. Next, this one is certainly sci-fi looking. Car number 2 is an X-Racer as well. It's the forward force X-Racer. Nice. They almost look like they could glow in the dark. It almost has like a Porsche body style. I don't know. What do you think? This one looks fancy. Sparkly gold. What do we have? A Lamborghini Aventador J. Ugh. I love a good Lamborghini. So pretty. Nice fin. Top blown off. Nice detail on the inside. Nice. And last, we have, let's see, what do we have? What do we have? A 2010 Mattel BMW M3. Nice. Looks like it has a little of that pearlized sparkly paint as well. A little ghost Hot Wheel action for you right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Ghost image of Hot Wheel on there. There should be M3. Nice badging on the front. And there you have it, my friends. That is the 20 pack with the exclusive Nissan Silvia and the purple Pagani. Nice Corvette CAR, which is not out yet. Nice Corvette Stingray, which is not out yet. All right, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching Guido's Killer Cars. And please remember, hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And if you don't want to, don't hesitate to leave me a comment.